This Mexican sunflower is way too close. I'm going to do a little winter chop and drop on that just to make some room so that the mango tree can breathe. Okay, let's do a little chop and drop, really just to make some breathing room for the mango. Can you see me? It's like a jungle in here, just how I like it. All the Mexican sunflower plants got kind of mangled from Hurricane Ian. They got kind of bent over, and I'm sure they're rooting all over the place now. So it's like the Mexican sunflower jungle, because they will root fairly easily. Give that mango some breathing space. Probably doesn't really need this nitrogen. Might have to put some palm mulch down. Palm mulch is better for flowering. There we go. That's much better. Mango tree's got some room to breathe. Still bent over a little bit. From Ian, it'll be fine. I'll put some palm mulch down next time I'm doing mulch. Get some of the nutrients it needs for making fruit and flowers. Beautiful. I really hope this makes some mangoes. I haven't had mangoes in the fruit forest yet. Fruit forest is only 3 years old. This mango is one of the first trees that I planted.